We're on our way to 3 of the best adventure stays of our cross-Canada journey.
We're going past one of the forest fires right now, and there's like probably 5 helicopters in the 5 minutes we've been here, going to the river, getting water to pour on the forest fires, and it's pretty smoky, scary, and heartbreaking.
Despite the forest fires, it was a beautiful drive filled with farm stands and amazing views. Hey there, Mr. Cow. I'm looking for the barrel farm. Oh, no.
What about this guy? Do you think this guy knows where we're going? Do you guys know where the barrel farms are?
All right, just this way. Okay,
thank you. Thank you.
Just arrived, and we're right outside of our barrel.
Jewel Creek Organic Farm has 3 barrel cabins and 3 yurts, surrounded by a forest and beautiful views of a valley. Each cabin has a window with an epic view. He really did a good job. He has this communal cooking area. There's even propane, and this pots and pans. Oh my god, there's even a speaker, a karaoke machine. Oh my god, I love that. And this is an outhouse.
Is that an outhouse?
Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. And the toilet paper hook? That's funny. Cool. Ooh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, it's so cozy. Oh, yep. Vibe.
After checking it out, we headed down the road to our host Oliver's cabin, where we chatted and had some calzones. Sweet. Yeah, you got a lot of projects on the go.
Yeah. Oh, you don't even know the half of them. This is built out of a tidy tank and an old boat trailer and scrap metal that I found here on the farm. And I think I paid $50 for a piece of metal, I think maybe a little bit of stovepipe and some fire brick at the back. And that's it.
We chatted over dinner and some drinks, and Oliver really does have a ton of projects on the go. We actually randomly found out that we were friends with one of my high school teachers. What a small world.
Some eggs and sourdough bread. Homemade. Straight from the chicken's butt.
Do not show the broken yolks on camera.
I didn't do this on purpose. Free range eggs. Fresh sourdough toast from our host. Toast from the host. Bread is life.
But where are she?
It's a long way down for the fire pole.
Oh yeah. Climb on. You can climb under this, so it's not as high. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Not so fast.
Oh yeah, there you go. Nice.
That is scary. Can't believe we just got peer pressured by 2 little girls.
I know. Just a few minutes away is Jewel Lake, where Oliver and his son often sail. Oh, nice jump.
Thank you.
And they took us out for a little adventure.
Scary. Oh, they're kind of cute. I think they're kind of cute too.
Ready?
Yeah, good dive.
Oh, I would never make a dive like that.
Thanks for a safe trip there, Captain.
Welcome.
Just a short walk away from the barrel cabins is Oliver's beautiful log home, where he has a microbrewery, and let's just say he was friendly enough to share a few pints.
But this night was Spanish night, and it wouldn't be a proper Spanish meal without sangria and paella. Here I have the architecture of the backyard.
Wow.
It's just like the photo.
Just like the photo.
Just like the drawing.
I don't know why you're a videographer.
At an additional fee, you can get Oliver to provide meals like this for you, which we were pretty happy about.
Bon appetit.
Yeah.
No,
We're gonna explore the little town here of Greenwood.
I want to find a thrift shop.
Maybe we'll find a thrift shop. I want to go to the smokestack over there.
There's not much to do in Greenwood, but for what it is, we had a good time exploring the little town.
What'd you find there, Brodie?
Da Vinci's greatest invention.
We have an outdoor shower. I'll let you know how it goes. It is ambient temperature. Pretty much means that it's just getting heated up by the sun. No cameras, please.
It's not gonna get warmer, babe.
Damn it.
I was a big guy.
That was pretty good. Nice pressure from the shower head. The water is definitely ambient and it definitely didn't heat up too much today. But I'm nice and clean now and I smell good, so that's a plus. Overall, staying at these barrels satisfied our thrill for adventure. We look forward to coming back with a bunch of friends since it'd be the perfect group camping spot. You can book the Barrel Cabin, which sleeps 2 people on Hipcamp for $75 a night.
Now it's back to Ontario for some tent camping.
We've arrived to Blues and Greens. There's the blue, and there's the green. Got a nice little spot here. We are on the Bruce Peninsula. It's a very outdoorsy place. There's lots of hikes. This property is also on the Bruce Trail, which is over 900 kilometers of trail and goes all the way to Niagara Falls. There's water right behind us, right behind these trees. We haven't checked it out yet, but apparently there's a viewpoint just over that way. I think Brodie and I found the Hipcamp with the nicest view. Do you think it's the nicest view, Brodie?
This is my 3rd film photo.
Brodie's using up her film rolls because it is so epic up here. When I imagined Ontario, I didn't think I'd be seeing this.
So I prepared this cacao for you.
Our host Maria and Phil, as a welcome gift, gave us some hot cocoa. We were actually surprised when we found out she actually sources the cacao herself and runs a small business selling it. Of course, we had to wake up and appreciate the view at sunrise. About a 20-minute drive is Greg's Caves, and it's a trail system with a bunch of caves on it. Brodie and I are checking it out. Whoa, that's cool. Shimmy my way through here. Spooky.
Oh my god, I knew you were over here.
What is really cool is we haven't run into anybody on this trail. We headed back to camp to take part in Maria's Dreamcatcher workshop.
So the legend of the dream catchers, like natives, they believe that it's a filter for like bad spirits that get in your dreams.
Right.
So they believe that there's also the good spirits that they concentrate in the center, and then with the sunlight that it gets in the morning, all the good energy it comes through the feather to your space. So what we're gonna do, this is the technique. So you go around the hoop and bring it in the middle. Very pretty.
We're headed up the Bruce Peninsula to the end, which is a town called Tobermory, and we're gonna take a glass bottom boat tour, and it's gonna be so freaking cool. We're gonna check out Flower Pot Island, we're gonna check out the national parks, we're gonna see not the ocean, I was gonna say the ocean, we're gonna see the Great Lakes, and it's gonna be great.
That is nice. It's actually like really refreshing in there right now.
Of course, we had to get our tourist photos in.
Since we had quite a bit of time on Flower Pot Island, we decided to kill some time by stacking rocks, which became pretty entertaining since I basically became a tourist attraction. Blues and Greens is a hidden gem in the Bruce Peninsula. It's perfect for those traveling through the Bruce Trail or making your way to Tobermory. For $65 a night, you can check out these epic views of the Georgian Bay.
Pine Solitude was the only Hipcamp where we got dropped off a kilometer away from the host's cabin. If you want to feel far away from any kind of civilization, this one's for you. Ran by Jen and her father Brian.
We arrived to our site.
Pine Solitude.
We arrived to Pine Solitude, and this campsite is just beautiful. We are on like a little bit of a peninsula that's jutting out of here, and we have our fire pit behind us. We got a bench. Over here we got a hammock, and we are just setting up our tent.
Not camping next to our car meant we had to hang up our food for the night. The only bag suitable was our tent bag, but we made it work.
Will we find the beaver? We're still on the hunt. We hear there's a dam around here, so we're gonna go check it out. I'm filming with my GoPro, but I brought the R6, so we cannot capsize.
Comment down below if you've ever capsized.
That is a massive beaver dam. Wow. Damn!
I'm pretty sure they use their tail to pack the mud.
No beaver to be found. We did find a turtle, a frog, a cool flower coming from a lily pad, but no beaver.
Since Brodie and I were running out of things to talk about, it was nice having a little friend join. His name, Chippy.
Hey, get out of there.
Have you ever had your own lake while camping? At Pine Solitude, we enjoyed just that.
Solitude was definitely found. You can stay at this Hipcamp for $30 to $60 a night.
And those were our top 3 adventure stays. In the next episode, you'll find our top 3 off-the-grid stays.